Hello everyone, my name is Gagan Verma. I recently completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Lakshmi College of Technology, Bhopal. So basically I got an opportunity to get selected through a virtual campus drive by Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, where I joined as a training engineer in IT infrastructure. So during my training at Evision, I provided with the in-depth knowledge of practical skills in the various domains like the networking concept, CCNA, Windows administration, virtualization, and ITL concept. So the training was extremely well structured. We had an interactive lectures from the industry experts along with the LMS video sessions for revision and the self-paced learning. The trainer ensured we gained a real-world practical knowledge and a strong conceptual uh, understanding, which really boosted my confidence. So after successful completion of the training from Evision Technoserve, it's helped me secure a placement at a Smart System Solution Private Limited as a technical support engineer with a package of 2.52 lakh per annum. So I truly appreciate Evision for their efficient teaching methods, excellent mentorship, and the constant support throughout this process. This platform not only enhanced my technical skills but also prepared me as a real-time industry challenge. So thank you so much for the Evision Technoserve for shaping my career in IT infrastructure. So for during the all the duration that I have get placed in, that is the all about the 4 months of duration in which I get trained or get placed in a MNC like companies. That's all. Thank you so much.